Take a look at this, Lincoln fans. 1977 Lincoln Continental town car. Try to make sure I get the whole thing in my screen here so you can see it all. This was actually the longest car produced by Ford Motor Company. And it's a beauty. This is actually dark Cordovan is the color on it. 8N. Has a cream interior, cream coach roof. 64,000 original miles. And from what I can tell by looking at the paint that I've looked, I don't see paint line. It appears to be all original paint. It says a DSO out of Indianapolis. 46, so the sales district office was Indianapolis from the data tag. And I'll tell you where to see the still pictures in a bit here too, so you can check out some of the undersides of this, interior, engine bay, some paperwork that was in the glove box, owner's manual. All those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on it. It's going to take you right there. You can sure call us too, 507-386-1726. You can see this paint does have a nice luster to it yet. Are you going to find imperfections in a 40-year-old car? Absolutely. But overall, a very, very nice original condition. I'll show you one little spot up here that I did notice closing the hood. A little bit right there where the paint is kind of peeled or chipped off. Now, of course, in the 77s, Lincoln went to a Rolls-Royce style front and grille, like the Rolls-Royce Radiator. Kind of did a front grille styled off of that. The headlight doors on this car work perfectly. Power antenna also works. Does have a 460 underneath the hood. That is paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Very, very cool car. Look up and down this. You do see a few little dings in that back door, if I can get them to show up. A couple little ones. Just want to make you aware of that. But look at the reflection in that. Look at how straight that car is. Opera windows in the back of that coach roof. Look at this interior. Talk about plush. Split bench seat. Not full of rips, tears, showing a bunch of wear. And then look at the dash. Not cracked. Headliner also in great shape. Cool time capsule. And you can imagine how this thing goes down the road. The other thing I noticed on this is it does have the plugs from the rust inhibitor. And this is actually SimTech, I believe it was. There's a sticker on the driver's side. And there's also the receipt for when they purchased it done on the car. But that's where these plugs are from. And it was a rust inhibitor right there. See another one up there. They have them in the bottoms of the doors down here. And if you're not familiar with that, that was where they took a wand and they sprayed a rust inhibitor in the cars back 70s and 80s. It was pretty popular. And tell you what, after the years of doing this, and when you see them with that, it appears that those did help. There's no doubt about it. Around to the rear of this car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So ask your sales associate when you call in or email us. We'll be happy to answer your questions on that too. But yeah, look up and down the driver's side of this, how straight that car is, and you know if they're full of bond or have had a bunch of work done. These long, darker colors will show that. It'll be wavy, but like I said, this appears to be original paint, original interior, original top. I did power up that antenna before the video. The antenna does go up and down. Wanted to show that. Now remember, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the still pictures of this car. And feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. We can go ahead and check out this interior. I want to fire it up and show you that 460 underneath the hood, which of course is the big engine. Was available in 49 states except for California with emissions. I'm guessing they couldn't sell it out there. But look at the armrest, not all discolored, not cracked. Wow. Original carpeting. I have the floor mats in now, but in the still pictures you can see under the floor mats the carpeting is like new. Go ahead and start this up. Alright, gauges. Both alternator fuel gauge you can see come up. And it's tough to see with just kind of the angle and the shading. But that is 64,647 as far as on the odometer. This particular car did come with a AM/FM, AM/FM 8-track when we get back in the 70s. And here's something else I know. Let's take a look at this. The clock is working. How cool is that? And you think they smoked a little bit back then? Look at the size of that ashtray. But nice and clean, by the way. And it does not have any smoke smell or any foul odors or anything like that in this car. Look at how plush those seats are. Unbelievable. Here's what I was talking about, that SimTech rust inhibitor, where I was showing those spots on the doors. The plugs were. Yeah, just look at this. How fun would this be to cruise in? So nicely everything closes and fits. I'm going to pause this a second and open this big hood. Let's check out that 460. Alright, even look at the original hood liner. Not all discolored or full of crud or anything like that. They have pretty stock looking engine base, smooth running 460. Of course, power steering, power brakes. Originally factory AC car. Notice the belt is off of it. I want to point that out. I'm sure you're aware of it. There you go. 1977 Lincoln Town Car in Cordovan. Cream coach roof. Cream interior. It's a beauty, folks. If you have any questions, give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, we can assist you with transportation to get this car where you're located at. Financing is available. We do consider trades, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you give us a call.